Okay, why are babies afraid of vacuums? I don't, like, I know I shouldn't be scared of them, and I'm not, but, like, I know they make loud noises and all, but, like, why are babies and pets afraid of vacuums? Like, I just don't get it. Well, it's more of babies, toddlers, and smaller pets, but I guess all sizes of pets can be afraid of it too. But it doesn't make sense. It's like, do they just scare them? Do they send off a message that only babies can hear and dogs and toddlers can hear that makes them automatically afraid of vacuums? Like what does vacuums do to them? Are vacuums just root of all evil to them? Do they just hate vacuums for no reason? Do they hate vacuums because they're loud? I honestly don't know. And another one is oh crap, I forgot what I was gonna say. I honestly forgot what I was gonna say. But I'm gonna just keep on going about this. Do vacuums just scar them for life, and then they actually never use a vacuum when they grow older? Do they just like vacuum their carpet with a lawnmower? But like, they're not afraid. Sometimes they are, but other times they're not afraid of lawnmowers. But lawnmowers make the same noise as a vacuum. And like, does the sorcery of a vacuum, like when it sucks up stuff, does that scare them? Or like, are they just afraid because no reason, or that it sounds scary, or maybe they're just not ready for the real world and vacuum noises, and what am I talking about anymore? I hope you guys have a good day and just think about this, and vacuums and lawnmowers and babies and toddlers and small dogs.